Water's journey. My name is Water. I come from the sky. I am colorless, tasteless, and odorless. This is my mom. Her name is Cloud. She is beautiful and soft. These are my brothers and sisters. We are rain. I am worried about what the upcoming journey will be like. My sisters stay on the field. My sisters help trees grow. Green trees cannot grow without us. My brothers stay on the forest. My brothers gather by the rivers. Animals cannot live without drinking water. I like the hustle and bustle. I live in the city. Everyone loves me. They drink water. They use water for cooking. They use water for cooling machines. But people pollute water. Humans poison water. People often waste water. People forget to turn off the tap. People let wastewater into rivers. Oil spill at sea.